Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to share Instagram post to Snapchat. Make sure to subscribe to Fix-It for more tutorials. So the first step is that you open your Instagram and find a post you want to share. You will click on the share option on the bottom of the post. Then you can see this option to share. Click on it and find Snapchat in your phone. For this example, I am going to share the post to myself. As you can see, I have received the post here. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix-It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.